24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. Math is everywhere. Math is really important in our life. It plays a major role in a child's cognitive development. Children from the age of 1 to 5 years start thinking creatively and critically, exploring patterns and shapes, comparing sizes, counting objects, analyzing and solving problems. Introduction of number 0. Tell the children that today they will recognize number 0, its value, and trace number 0 with correct formation. Recognition of number 0 and its value. Write number 0 on the writing board. Tell them that this is number 0. Show a cup or container to children and put some pencils in it. Ask the children to count them. Repeat the activity with different numbers of items from 1 to 9. Then ask the children to close their eyes. Remove all the objects from the container. What is there in the container? When they say nothing, tell them that 0 means nothing. Give more examples to clear the concept of 0. For example, pick something and ask, "What is in my hand?" Empty your hand and ask, "Is there anything in my hand?" Introduce the number value with the help of book. Show picture, count and say, "This rabbit has no carrots" means 0. This rabbit has no carrots means 0. This rabbit has no carrots means 0. This rabbit has no carrots means 0. Repeat at least 3 times. Ask children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Formation of number 0. Write number 0 on the board and give instructions. Start from the red point. Draw a circle all the way around. Ask them to open their textbook, count, color, and write the correct number. Ask them to open their textbook and trace number 0 with the help of dots and arrows. Encourage them to trace number 0 in the air or on their desks or on their hands with the help of index finger. Write some jumbled numbers on the writing board and ask children to recognize 0. Reinforcement worksheet of number 0 can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.